Hey everybody, my name is Landry and welcome to my channel. This is the first video I've ever posted, and today I'm going to be unboxing the amazing Arbonne 30 Days to Healthy Living Kit. I just got in the mail today. It is this huge box. Oh my gosh, right here. And yeah, I'm really excited to dive in and show you guys all the goodies that are inside of it. Yeah, so let's get started. So for those of you that don't know what Arbonne is a brand that sells skincare, hair care, nutrition, makeup. Like, if you use it in your day-to-day life, Arbonne probably sells it. So, but what I love about Arbonne is that everything is vegan, it's cruelty-free, and a fun fact is that Arbonne bans 2,000 ingredients, so you know that everything that you're using from them is really safe, really real. It's all really fantastic ingredients. So I think that was like a huge thing for me when I decided to join this company, was knowing that everything that they were selling was not bad. Like, it wasn't like a lot of the stuff that we see here in the US that gets sold. Everything there is like super heavily regulated, which is just amazing. But yeah, so let's get right into this. Okay. Oh my gosh, where should we start? There's so much stuff. First I'm going to start. I got this really cute protein shaker. It says Herbal Essentials on it. Super cute. I love the color. I've been super into like oranges and yellows lately, so I thought that was like super adorable when I got it. What else do we have? Oh, so these are my absolute favorite things from Arbonne, like no joke. These are the face sticks. I got them in citrus and pomegranate. I've been loving the pomegranate ones. This is like the first thing I bought when I became a consultant for Arbonne. I love the fizz sticks because they sort of are like a soda, what's the word? Like a replacement for soda. I used to be a huge Diet Coke drinker. I like low-key still am. But in high school especially, I was drinking like 5 or 6 a day, which was so bad for me and my body. And even into college, I was still doing it. And then I tried the fizz sticks, and I love them because, as the name suggests, they're a little fizzy. So they remind me of like a carbonated soft drink. And the taste is really nice, and it helps me to drink a lot more water. And also, they have caffeine in them, but it's super natural, and like it doesn't give me the same kind of like jittery, shaky feelings I get when I drink like a coffee from Starbucks or something that has a lot of like not so natural caffeine, just like a lot of sugar and a lot of processed stuff in it. But yeah, I love these. They're amazing. I'm really excited to try the citrus ones, but yes, very, very excited to have more fizz sticks because I go through them like insanely fast. Next, it looks like we have our Herbal Detox Teas. I'm so excited about these. Oh my gosh. I've like started to become more of like a tea drinker, so I think these are going to be really, really great. Yeah, I've heard amazing things about these. You drink like 1 in the morning, kind of 1 at night kind of deal. But yeah, those are awesome. Guys, like, I'm not even like a quarter of the way through the box. Like, this is how much stuff you get when you start this program, just to let you know. So next, looks like we got our Arbonne Essentials Digestion Plus. These are little sticks, sort of like the fizzies. They come in a little stick like that. You just toss it in your water in the morning and drink one before you start your day, which I think is so great. Yeah, these are going to be great. And see, guys, just to show you, so on the side of the box you can look, it's kind of hard to see what it says: vegan, gluten-free certified, and then of course the box is recyclable, which is always a plus. Arbonne is, I've noticed in the packages I've got that Arbonne is a super sustainable company. All the packages, like this box right here, is like everything is able to be recycled and reused, and I just really love that. That's been a huge thing for me lately, is buying from places that are sustainable and are trying to make their stuff more recycle friendly. So I really love that about Arbonne. Next, so in your kit, you get to choose the option to either get the greens supplement, which is like something that you can like scoop into your protein shakes or just whatever, or you can get the Herbal Essentials Body Cleanse. This is the lemon ginger flavor, and what you do is in about the 3rd week of your program, you use this to sort of cleanse those toxins out of your body that may still be lingering. And yeah, it just is, I've heard literally so many amazing things about this. It's super safe. You just drink it kind of throughout the day, and that helps it to be really easy on your stomach. And yeah, so I think this is going to be one of my favorite things from the kit. So I'm super excited about this because my friends love it and they came very highly recommended. So next, we've got the Arbonne Essentials Daily Fiber Boost. Says includes 12 grams of fiber, which is nearly half of your recommended daily amount, helps you feel fuller longer, contains no saturated fats, trans fats, or cholesterol. It's a flavorless powder that can be mixed with food and liquids. So I think this is super great. It says you can add 1 scoop to your favorite drink or food, and basically with the program you drink 2 protein shakes a day. So you add a scoop of this to each shake and you've met your fiber intake for the whole day just by drinking the shakes you were already going to drink. So that's awesome. Super excited about that. This is like, I think, one of the things that I'm most excited for, and this is our protein shakes. I've just heard like the best, most amazing things about our protein powder. There's 2 flavors. There's chocolate. These are so heavy. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. There's chocolate and there's vanilla. I've got 1 of each. Yeah, I'm really excited to try these. I've never been much of like a protein shake person. If I'm being honest, I've never actually had one, but I've heard just so many amazing things about these protein shakes. I've heard that they taste like milkshakes, which is really cool. So definitely excited to have a milkshake for breakfast and lunch every day. Like that's pretty awesome. So let's see. And then it looks like the last thing in here, sent a little free pack of makeup wipes, which is so sweet. I actually need to get some anyway, so that's kind of nice. Yeah. Okay, awesome. So cool. Well, super excited about those. Give those a try. And guys, that is everything in the box. We completely unpacked everything. So as you guys just saw, you get so much stuff in your 30 days kit. You get huge bags of protein shakes. You get lots of little things to kind of help you along the way. And in my opinion, it's totally worth it. So if you're wanting to make a lifestyle change, if you're wanting to eat healthier, whatever the case, I say go for it. This program is fantastic and it works. Yeah, it's an amazing program, and it's really kind of what Arbonne is famous for. So I'm really excited that I get to be a part of that, and I get to try it for myself. And I'm just so excited to get my body to a really healthy, happy place. So yeah, basically I'm going to be vlogging my entire 30 days journey. I'll be vlogging every day, and then at the end of every week I'll be kind of uploading that whole week's vlogs for you guys. And yeah, I'm super excited. It's going to be very challenging, and it's going to be difficult, but I'm really excited. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon so you get notified when I do post those weekly updates. And yeah, thanks you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!